get some new scans coming in just to make sure that we will see the conditions that will stay just along that county line and maybe outside of our viewing area. We're going to wait for those new scans coming in to see if we have any additional information coming in. Nicole is wiring up as well, and she's just going to keep us posted here. Nicole, I'm not sure if your mic is on yet or not, just tracking chat. Do you see any new information coming in on that? No, okay, her mic is not on yet. So we'll keep an eye on that as it's moving now through those spots of out of Jones County into these areas of Hancock County, also into Baldwin County, of this tornado warning that is in effect now until 4:30 this afternoon. So I'm going to widen out because I know that a lot of you have been watching these storms that have been moving through our area today. Metro Atlanta, we're pretty much all clear right now from any strong storms that could be moving through, and we'll continue to watch those storms move out. It's just that last little bit. Remember yesterday, I told you that I was going to be watching the potential on the east side of us of maybe a flare-up happening over to the east of us, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now. I was hoping it would be just to the east of Lake Oconee. Right now it is just to the east of Lake Oconee and south of Oconee, but it does include parts of Putnam County. I do think this would stay well to the east. Folks in Augusta at the Masters, they need to be watching this line as it continues to move in because it does have a history of producing some rotation there as well. The latest that we have now, I think, Nicole, they may have your mic if you just want to voice over, if anything. I'm seeing that.
There's no new information coming in from the National Weather Service, still only radar indicated rotation, no confirmation of tornado. Okay, that's good. So Nicole here tracking that for us as well as we are watching that main area of rotation that looks like right now it is going to be staying just right there along that county line. Let's go back to velocity. Oh, and we're right at the edges of the radars here as well. So what we're going to do, and I don't know if anybody wants to give me clearance here from the management team. I'm feeling comfortable if we go back to regularly scheduled programming, since that is pretty much right along the county line and just over to the east of our viewing area. Hancock County is not part of our viewing area. Baldwin County is not in our viewing area. So I think what we'll do is we're going to keep the crawl going at the bottom of your screen here. For folks, again, in that far eastern sliver of Putnam County, we'll keep the crawl rolling at the bottom of your screen. We expect Putnam will be dropped from this warning relatively soon, but I think that we've done enough to alert those people in Putnam County as it's going to be moving out of your area very soon. We'll take you back to regularly scheduled programming right now, but we will keep you posted if any additional warnings are issued or if anything changes with this current warning that we have right now. We'll take you back to Ellen now.
And now he knows that's not a lifetime supply.
I know. For the internet, but is it true?
Where the fight against bad information begins with your good question.
Laura from Marietta asks, can this program...
And where the experts read between the lies.
The fine print shows this isn't real.
11 Alive News Verify, where you know what's fact and what's fiction. Watch weekdays at 5, 6, and 11 p.m.
Weather can't run from the 11 Alive Thunder Truck. A mobile weather center with the power and speed to chase down the strongest storms and bring you on-the-ground conditions. The 11 Alive Thunder Truck, sponsored by Landmark Dodge.
He is a character in his own self. He's just my miracle child. And I treated him like he was a miracle and that he was loved every single day. I can remember that day like it was yesterday.
How could this happen?
A lot of parents are burying their children. People always say black people don't do that. Yes, here's a picture.
A Different Cry, now streaming on Roku and Fire TV.
11 Alive News at 11 p.m. is where you find out what's happening now across Metro Atlanta.
We begin tonight with breaking news out of Cobb County, where a neighborhood is now...
Where you stay a step ahead of severe weather.
Our storm risk has now been upgraded to a...
And the only place where you can verify fact versus fiction.
11 Alive can verify that claim is false.
11 Alive News at 11 p.m. Where you end the day ready to take on tomorrow. 11 Alive Morning News.
We began with breaking news this morning.
Is where you know what's happening now.
11 Alive is live on the scene.
Where you can confidently plan ahead.
This severe weather is intensifying.
By knowing what's coming overhead. And where Atlanta's traffic expert
We've seen delays almost 30 minutes worth of
helps you get there on time. Every time. 11 Alive Morning News is where you start the day prepared. Watch weekdays 5 to 7 a.m.
News happens fast. Stream it faster. 11 Alive News is now on Roku. Stream live newscast
We begin tonight with breaking news.
and watch on demand.
We are tracking severe storms.
11 Alive News. Stream now on Roku.
11 Alive News Verify. It's where you see viral claims put under the microscope.
This Facebook post is all over the internet, but is it true?
Where the fight against bad information begins with your good question.
Laura from Marietta asks, can this program...
And where the experts read between the lies.
The fine print shows this isn't real.
11 Alive News Verify, where you know what's fact and what's fiction. Watch weekdays at 5, 6, and 11 p.m.
Weather can't run from the 11 Alive Thunder Truck. A mobile weather center with the power and speed to chase down the strongest storms and bring you on-the-ground conditions.